Well, I suppose it could have been worse, given all the dire warnings about it. Asian markets fell between 1 and 1.5% today, and the Australian market was down about the same, 1.1%, with the banks down 2%, resources 1%, and Wesfarmers 4%. AGL Energy, for which Michael Cannon-Brookes and Brookfield Asset Management have said they might bid $7.50 a share, fell back to $7.83, which is still above the offer price, so the punters are still betting on a higher bid. Whatever other investors are suffering for Mr. Putin, it's far worse for those in Russia and Ukraine. The Russian market fell 11% overnight before the tanks crossed into Donetsk and Luhansk. And since the crisis began late last year, both the Moscow and Kiev indexes are down almost 30%. Oil jumped 3.2% last night and iron ore 5.7%, and the Australian dollar remained steady at just above 72 US cents. ANZ and Roy Morgan told us today that consumer inflation expectations have hit a 7-year high, above 5%. Now, this sort of thing really bothers the Reserve Bank because if everyone expects inflation, it can get entrenched. When companies put up their prices, no one complains because it's expected. And for those who got excited about the inconvenient disappearance of trains in Sydney, here's a reminder from the ABS that the number of industrial disputes, the number of workers involved in them, and hours lost are all at or near record lows. And that's finance. Thanks for watching. You can check out more finance news by clicking there. And don't forget to click subscribe down there to get all the latest updates from ABC News.